MetricsCube reports provide you with the excellent possibility to monitor your business performance. With access to our advanced analytics tools, you can get an in-depth analysis of your company with just a few clicks. In this video, we'll show you how to exploit the full potential of our innovative solution and dig deeper into your business data. Now, in order to access MetricsCube reports, choose the Reports tab from the main menu. Next, pick the category you're interested in. In this video, we'll take a closer look at billing reports for our WHMCS instance. On the top of the reports list, there are two date pickers that allow you to set the date range of displayed reports. Thanks to the second date picker, you can quickly compare data. Move to the right from the second date picker and decide if data will be presented for each day, week, or month. For each of the reports on the list, you can see the information icon. Hover the mouse over the icon and see a brief description, and check on how a particular report is calculated. For selected reports, there are extra links that will redirect you to our blog post. There, you can find more detailed explanation on the reports and their interpretation. For example, we've prepared a comprehensive blog article on the monthly recurring revenue report that will certainly help you understand it better. Now, once you return to the main list, you can click on a specific report to enter its more detailed section. The first element that you may control on the report is the Filter button located next to the date picker. You can choose multiple filters at once to dig deeper into the precise information of the report. Now, please also note that for each of the reports, the available filters may vary depending on the type of the report and related information displayed. You can easily remove the filters that are no longer needed by clicking on the Close button. What's more, the Compare option allows you to make a comparison of the chosen report for various time periods. By default, the second field is set to Previous Period, but you can adjust settings to your needs and add up to 5 different comparison periods. Below the graph, you'll find summed values for the selected comparison periods. Another feature worth mentioning is the possibility to compare data by other criteria than just dates. Simply click on the Compare button and choose one of the available filters for this report. As in this example on the screen, you can compare monthly recurring revenue by products. Apart from the visual graph, you'll find the Summary table below. It presents data grouped by the specific criteria. For example, monthly recurring revenue can be sorted by product groups. You can also choose different criteria such as products, add-ons, or TLDs. What's more, if you're looking for a particular record, you can just start typing in the search box to see the results. There's also the possibility to sort the table, for example, by the value. The table presents multiple periods from the date frames selected on the visual graph. As you can notice, once you modify the date frame above, all changes will be visible in the table below. For your convenience, you can easily export data not only from the graph, but also from the table below. Just decide if you want to export the PDF or CSV file. Each of the reports can be transferred to the Combine tool, which we'll discuss for you in another video. Let MetricsCube reports become a key element of your daily routine. Give it a go with a free 14-day trial at MetricsCube.io.